Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your body/face on CapCut. So we're going to use a video maybe where you're showing your body and or face, and once you find a video like that you want to edit, maybe you want to add some makeup, maybe you want to slim your features, and that's totally okay. So we're going to look at the bottom of my screen right now. We're going to click on the first icon that says edit, and once we get here, we're going to scroll until we find this little enhance option. And once we find it, maybe we're going to scroll to a part of the video where she's showing her body like this. And we're going to use this, and you have a few options here to smooth, slim, legs, waist, head size, face, maybe add some makeup, skin tone, etc, etc. And that's how you edit your body or face on CapCut. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.